Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much guys. Today is the Forex Trading Plan 2022 April the 4th, and what are we going to talk about? Okay, all right, we are going to talk about the planning as well. All right, same thing is still on the planning. Okay, so I hope everybody can hear me clearly. All right, so let me have a mic test. Mic test. Mic test. Mic test. Okay. All right. So let's see. Okay, let's see how is it. Yes. Hi Hubert, nice to see you here. Okay. Okay. Hey. Flora, Mika. Okay. Phoebe, and also Riano, Roger. Okay. Leonard. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Okay. Okay. Good. All right. Okay. Now, I hope the sound is good. Okay. So let me have a final check. Okay. All right. Thank you, Joey. Loud and clear. All right. Thank you, CK. All right. Thank you, Bradley. Thank you, Aiden. All right. Okay. So yes. Okay. So let's move into our forex trading. Okay, I hope last week we have all of you following my channel here. We have gained some profits. Okay, so remember we must maintain. Okay, we must maintain our consistency. Okay, that is very important. Okay, so I will wish that everyone this week, when of Monday, the first day of the week, everybody will try to keep yourself as neutral, reset your mind. Okay, all right, so that you will not get the complacency into yourself. Okay, good. Okay, yeah, got win, huh? Okay, that's good. Okay, so yes, okay, so let's Bradley. Okay, TP for the past. Okay, good. Okay, right, so let's move again. Let's take a look at what we are going to look out for. All right, over here. Okay, so we are going to see that how this thing goes to work with us in Aussie CAD. All right, Aussie CAD. Can I have the MT4, please? Okay. Okay. So yep, let's take a look over here. Right now, like by looking at this, okay, over here at this point, that we are looking for something. What are we looking out for? We are looking out for the potential trades that's going to help us. Okay, and that is very important. It's because in this session, before we actually start trading, it's a must that we have to look out for things to trade and also to make money. But is that really the important part? No. Okay, that's not really the important part. The important part here is to look out for the correct trade, the correct currency pairs to enter for a trade. All right. Okay, so yes, that's right. To answer some questions here, we are with Vantage International Brokers. Okay, so if you want to find out more, below this video in the comment in the description, we have a link for you to click on. Okay, so you can find out more about it. Okay, so let's move into Aussie CAD over here. And yes, Susanna. All right. Okay, I thought it's Susanna. Okay, it's Susanna. All right. If you are new to my YouTube channel, remember to click on the like button, subscribe, and also ring up the bell to receive the latest update. All right. Okay, so let's move into Aussie CAD over here. Aussie CAD today, what we are looking at for Aussie CAD here, it has been going up and now turning in the turbulence area. Okay, so this is a turbulence area, am I right? Okay, so now turbulence area. So this turbulence area over here, what we are going to look out for is that, are we in the transition? Okay, are we in the transition? So you see, this is the bear zone, and now the bear zone actually swing down once, touches and respected the support, moving up again. Right? Okay, moving up again. Now it's respecting the resistance from the bear zone, is coming down right again, but it hits on the support here and it went up. Where is the support? Where's the support? So over here in H4, we have been talking about this support. Okay, this area of support. Okay, so this is the area of support here that we are looking out for. Okay, so it has still been struggling in this area. So this is the transition where there's a point of time when it went into the bear. So we did some selling and we managed to capture some, but after that it went back to the transition area. So it went back to the transition area. It also means that Aussie CAD is still struggling within the whole area here to go for one very precise direction, which is either a bull or a bear, correct? So we are in this transition area here. Can we have a selling? I would say that tentatively it hits on the top here. Okay, so right now the resistance is here, and now the resistance is roughly around this area of resistance, and the support remains over this part here because, as you can see, it hits on the support here, which is a transition area. Then it started to move. It started to move in the way for a higher low, which is higher support. So it means that it's actually moving up to try to test to break the resistance to go even higher. Well, so since that's the case, okay, since that's the case, it also now tentatively is not moving, it's not breaking. Okay, tentatively it is not breaking yet. So by looking at this, it is not breaking so far. It has a chance to sell. However, by looking down to the lower time frame of H1 is where I see whether it will break or will it continue to test the resistance to break it. So as you can see from the transition, another higher support all the way up. So now it's still not breaking. Isn't that good? Yes, it is good. However, remember, now aqua is above the white line. Now we are having a retracement. So the red candle staying above the aqua line is actually respecting the support. So the support movement. Alright, so over here, when we are talking about the support movement over here, as we can see, if the price going to cut the support down here is we have only 12 pips. So having a 12 pips over here, it is not that chill to actually enter for a short trade, for a selling trade, because we are in the transition area. Well, it may break and come back, and that may, but we cannot predict the future. So since I cannot predict the future, I wouldn't want to take a risk. Okay, so yeah, I'm giving you one of my opinion. Okay, I'm giving you one of my opinion so that you can understand the concept, how I actually read the chart. Okay, okay, so let's move again quickly to the next one. Aussie franc. All right, Aussie franc. Sorry, Aussie franc over here. Aussie franc, same thing. Well, it seems like now it is actually moving. It's moving. It hits on the support. Is moving back to the transition area as well. Same. The movement is the same as the movement concept is the same as the Aussie CAD. Yes, Aussie CAD. Okay. So tentatively right now, okay, if you are asking me, should I start the trading now? Okay, I would say maybe you still have a chance because, okay, the resistance was here. Okay, this is the resistance was here, and this is the transition area. Okay, this is the transition area. Okay, so as you can see, it's trying to go back to the transition area. However, it is not going back now. It is not going back now. Okay, why is that so? It's because it hits on the previous support, has been tested, break, and now retested with a new resistance here, and now it meets a new resistance over here. So Aussie franc, I would say that is the retracement has ended. Okay, the retracement has ended. So what I'm looking out for is that I want to see the red candle to fall below the aqua line and purple line here. Okay, this area, because there's a previous resistance that become a support. Okay, so break this support first, then we will have a chance to trade in the retracement trading, which we may have another 30 pips. Okay, which we may have another 30 pips. However, this is quite risky because it's a retracement trading. Why? Is because as you can see from the support level, it has actually formed up a new support. And now it's moving up to for another higher support, which is another higher low. So moving up towards to test on the resistance is not breaking. Yes, there may be a chance of another higher support in around this area. Okay, because of the previous resistance, which now become the support, which will become a higher support, a higher low to test the resistance once again. Okay, so over here, when we are trading in the retracement, we got to be very careful because we can see that there are highest low, higher low, highest low, higher low. Okay, all these are a sign, all these are signs of strength to buy. Okay, so please take note. Okay, all right. So I'm not going to put Aussie franc into my watch list today for selling. Okay, so yeah, buying, yes, you can. There's still some space. There's still some space for you to do so. Okay, all right, but please take note. This is anti-trend trading if you are buying. Okay, all right. So how about Aussie yen? Aussie yen, we still have a long way to go. So buying is still possible. All right, buying is still possible. So for buyers, take note. The buying signal coming soon. Okay, let's wait for it to retrace. Okay, for the support level, once here. Okay, so once it's tested on the support here, and it's not breaking, forming up a new buying signal. Yeah, there you go. All right. So buyers, you can take note for this. So for Aussie Kiwi, Aussie Kiwi, we are also the same thing. We are moving into the bear zone. So looks like it's on the buying side. Yes, indeed, it's on the buying side right now, and we are still in the transition. So slightly above, and now it's also coming back for a selling because it meets up on the resistance up here. Is there any resistance? Yeah, let's check. There's a okay over here. So I'm so sorry, it's wrong. Okay, let me adjust it. Okay. Sorry, I dragged the wrong line. Okay, so over here, this is the one of the resistance. So probably when you are going up for buying, you have about 15 pips. You have around 15 pips to go. So these 15 pips, is it good to buy? I would say probably no. Okay, just give this a miss for Aussie Kiwi because by looking at this Aussie Kiwi, it doesn't seem like it is a good very distinctive, a very precise, very clear directions for us. So no, I don't see any. So let's give this a miss. All right. Okay. So next to go, Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar. Okay. So for Aussie dollar, okay, Aussie dollar over here. Let's see what do we have. Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, what we are looking out for here, we are still looking out for a buy. We have not entered into the bear zone. So right now, Aussie dollar, it is still struggling, running into the bear zone. So from the bear zone, they will have a better chance to sell. So right now, we are in the highest, so-called the highest place, the highest point of this wave. Okay, trying to go into the strongest resistance and break it so that you can go higher. Buyers, you have limited space. Seller, you are in the anti-trend, so no way we can trade. Okay, so Euro Aussie. Next, Euro Aussie over here. Euro Aussie, the whole trend we are still running down on the bear. Okay, still running down on the bear, which is good. Which over here, let's take a look. The bull zone is here, and we are about 80 over pips before we test the bull zone, which is the support down here. So do we have a chance to sell? Yes, we have. Okay, however, there are supports here right nearby. Okay, so over here, how about the resistance? The resistance over here. There's one resistance here. Okay, and looks like it has been tested once, retesting the support. Probably it may went up to test the resistance. Okay, so Euro Aussie, if I want to sell, there are two ways. Okay, one, move up to meet the resistance, which a bit too high, right? Okay, it's going to be a long wait. So next, alternatively, we can break the support here. Okay, then we start selling. Okay, so let's take a look. We are on the support, like I mentioned earlier on. So in the H1, okay, over here, over here in H1, this is the current support that I'm looking out for because of this support. Okay, and now it created a higher low and higher support here. So right now, by looking at this, by buying is really very optimistic, but the trend is selling. Okay, so this is a retracement. So over here, if there's a resistance, which we can see, okay, within the very smaller picture, the previous support tested, break, retested, and retested as a resistance. So this is the resistance level. So this resistance level is about over about 20 pips, okay, 25 pips or so. So if it's going to test on the resistance, that means to say it has formed up a higher support towards the resistance. And with the higher support of the resistance, without breaking the resistance, when it has a chance of a green and red candle forming up with H1RD, we have a chance to grab some profit here in Euro Aussie. Okay, so yes, for this we can take note. Okay, Euro Aussie, if it's going up for selling, going up to the resistance, okay, then it will be a good chance. However, if for me, I would say that tentatively right now, okay, I will be looking out for a selling if it breaks the support. If this breaks the support with a new resistance below, I will start selling. Okay, all right. Okay, so how about EURCAD? How about EUROCAD? Well, EUROCAD over here, EUROCAD is in the bear. However, this bear is challenging the bull zone now. Okay, as you can see, this zone is actually my strongest support. So over here, it's challenging the bull zone. Will there be any chance that I can sell? All right. So will there be any chance? I would say that tentatively it doesn't mean that we don't have a chance to sell, but it's in the bull zone, and this bull zone is not easy to break. Okay, so I wouldn't want to take the risk. So EuroCAD today, I'm going to give this a miss. Okay, I'm going to give this a miss. I guess EuroCAD, this EuroCAD is actually very, very potential. Okay, it's very potential. If I want to sell, okay, let's say if I want to sell, I will only wait for it break the support here, then I will have very good potentials of 60 pips of space to go. So EuroCAD is quite good. Okay, it's quite good. If it breaks the support, okay, if it breaks the support. Alternatively, it may go up and test on the resistance without breaking, then it comes back again. Yes, I would say that you have a chance. You have a chance to break the bull zone here. Okay, so we can take a look. Okay, EuroCAD, but this is in the bull zone. Tentatively, usually I wouldn't want to pay attention to such a currency pair. Okay, but if you want, you can like what I say. Okay, all right, so EUROPOUND, same thing. I'm not going to touch this, okay, until the time's getting better in Ukraine. Okay, so how about Euro Yen? Euro Yen. Okay, Euro Yen over here, we are now still moving on the bull, and we are challenging the bear zone now. So right now over here, if you can see, Euro Yen, this is the transition area, correct? This is a transition area. So the resistance is around here. Yes, it's still here. Okay, so still up here. So it's going a bit sideways, ranging for quite a while. Okay, so over here, this part, I will say that Euro Yen, we have a chance to sell. However, it must come back here to break the support. It must come back to break the support so that we will be able to start selling. Okay, so Euro Yen we can monitor. Okay, because I guess this is going to be the second half of the day, highly likely. Okay, highly likely. So once it breaks the resistance, then that means we have to give up. Okay, all right. So yep. So let's see Euro Yen. Okay, I'm gonna put Euro Yen into my list. Okay. So now, what about Euro Kiwi? Euro Kiwi over here. Euro Kiwi, we are in the bear, running the bear, and still wanted to test. They have a lower resistance, going down to test on the support. Okay, so next H4, let's see where's the support level. Support, okay, here, and the resistance here. Okay, the resistance is here. So by looking at this now, we have to break the support. Okay. Okay, so let's take a look. Right deep. Okay, that's right. So the support level has no change. The support level has no change. I would say that I will still put it here. Okay, so yeah, for Euro Kiwi over here, we have about 20 pips of space to sell and break the support. This one, we have to wait. Okay, if I want to sell, I want to wait for it to break the support with a new resistance below, then I will start selling. Okay, Euro Kiwi. Okay, now let's move to Euro Dollar. Euro Dollar. Right, Euro Dollar looks good as well. Euro Dollar, we are still in the bear trend, as you can see, running downwards. Okay, connecting them all together is still in the bear trend. So right now in the bear trend, but today we have some support. Let's check where is it. All right, support level no change. Okay, but the previous resistance over here, okay, as you can see, previous resistance here has been tested once, tested, and finally break. So now it comes back. The previous resistance has become the support. Okay, so since that's the case, the resistance for this Euro Dollar resistance, it is remaining the same. Okay, so right now in H1, same thing, Euro Dollar, it must break the support level and we will continue the ride of the selling. 50 over pips. It's worth a wait. Euro Dollar. Okay, Euro Dollar, I will wait. Okay, Euro Dollar, I will wait for it. Okay, I'm going to put this in the watch list. Okay, Pound Aussie. How about Pound Aussie? Is Pound Aussie good? Pound Aussie is now still running the selling. So Pound Aussie is going to retest the support level down. Okay, can you see? When it go up, retest again, forming up. When it go up, and this part here retesting, breaks and going back to the prevailing bear trend. It hits on the spot, go up again with a lower resistance compared to this, and now coming back, same thing to retest the support level. Okay, so yeah, that's good. Then where are we supposed to sell? Let's see. Okay, are we supposed to sell? I always want to sell at the resistance level. So right here, this is the resistance level over here. Okay, resistance down. Okay, so now over here, it has been once tested, set up a support here, tested here, and now the resistance went down further. Okay, so it has been tested. The resistance has been tested. Then now it's not breaking, coming back to sell again. So yeah, we still have good chance over here. 60 over pips to go, and it has actually created the highs, and now break one of the support, and now the support has become a resistance after it has come back to retest and form up a new resistance, and this is going to be a selling. So same thing, I guess. This is something very near as well. We have only about 14 to 16 pips. Okay, 14 to 16 pips. So this 14 to 16 pips, Can you grab some there? I think yes. However, okay, I would prefer to break it. Okay, break the support level, form a new resistance below. Okay, then I start selling, and I stand a 40 pips. So when you are selling, it doesn't matter whether you have a chance to enter a trade right now, then you want to enter. When you enter a trade right now, it may only give you a very short-term profit, and it will start to hover around or rebound back, retrace upwards. Then, then in that case, I would prefer, since we are all predicting, then I will prefer to predict a space, a point where it will give me a bigger space of profit that actually will tell me I'm safer. I'm safer to trade. Okay, so yeah, this is the point here. Okay, so Pound Aussie, yes, we can take note. Okay, Pound Aussie, I'm going to put this into my list. Okay, and this I'm going to wait for it to break the support. Okay, Pound CAD. How about Pound CAD? Okay, Pound CAD over here. Okay, Pound CAD over here we have now went down as a bear, downward trend, which is so nice. Okay, and we still have plenty of space to go. Well, although it's a downward trend, but is today a good time to sell, or today is a retracement day? So let's check. Okay, let's check this. Now it seems like it's hovering around in this area of support and also the resistance, which has no change. Okay, no change here. So since that's the case of no change, then would it be good? Would it be good for us to actually to sell? Okay, I would not. I would think I will want it to go up first, 30 pips, test the resistance, then come back. Okay, to try to break the support. Because yeah, by looking at this seems like there's a chance. There's a chance of having a lower resistance. Okay, although it's not very clear right now yet. So yeah, so it's better for us to test the resistance first. Okay, test the resistance before breaking. Okay, if it's not breaking, then we start to enter for a trade. But of course, by looking at this right now, like this, oh, okay. If I can I wait for it to break? Oh, yes, you can wait for it to break the support. If it's breaking the support over here, okay, let's see. If it breaks the support here, is it good to enter a trade right now? Like Rihanna was asking. Okay, you have about 15 pips and there's another support. Okay, which is not nice, which is not good. It's also very tight. Okay, so yeah, pound K, I'm going to give this a miss. Okay, right. How about pound franc? Pound franc. Pound franc, I would suggest a no. Okay, why? It's because we are so near to the pool, and H4 we also turning up for a buy. Okay, so we have about the last resistance is around 60 pips. Okay, 55 to 60. So yeah, I decided to give this a miss. Okay. Okay, I decided to give this a miss. So no. Oh, how about pound yen? Pound yen. Pound yen, yes, out of the transition. Well, pound yen we can pay attention to. Okay, it's because as you can see, this is a transition area, and now pound yen is retracing upwards and still below the transition area, which is the resistance. Okay, over here. Okay, so right now, pound yen, I will say that today doesn't look good because for the past 3 days candle, it seems like it's going back. Okay, seems like it's going back, but the resistance is now pound yen has been resisted, and I will see that probably it will still have some chance to come back. Okay, but not very soon, not very high chance. Probably not on the second half of the day. Okay, it may be going on the second half of the day. Well, yeah, I will give this a miss. Okay, I'm not going to take risks with this. Although it looks like over here where the support, we're respecting the support movement, creating a higher support now. Okay, a higher low to test the resistance. If this is really happen, okay, and it breaks, and then that's it. Then it will go for a buy. Okay, so because it go for buy because it's going back into the transition area of the bull transition. Okay, so right now by looking at this, I would say that probably I would say no first. Okay, just give this a miss and monitor on the second half of the day. Okay. Okay. Well, yeah, I have a sip. Okay. Pound Kiwi. Pound Kiwi. So what about Pound Kiwi? Pound Kiwi over here is in the bear, retrace upward again, supported, and come back here again. Well, we still have a lot of space to go. Now, let's see. Do we have any chance to sell for Pound Kiwi? Huh? Okay, Pound Kiwi resistance remains the same, and over here we have another lower resistance. As you can see, this lower resistance is not very ideal. It's because okay, uh, over here. Okay, over here. Well, supported. Previous support breaks and it went up, become support again, support again. Wow, this one looks like a head and shoulder, correct? So now it's a neckline here. Then we can see that this can be something that we need to pay attention to, unless Kiwi, unless it breaks the support, unless it breaks the support, then forming a new resistance below, then I will start trading. Okay, if not, this is going up. You only have one. You only have one choice today for pound kiwi. And this pound kiwi over here, you must break the support. If you break the support, yes, we'll have very good chance to continue the selling. Okay, and it is kind of a big space for us, about 80 pips. Okay, so this pound kiwi, yep, we can pay attention to that. Okay, right, pound kiwi. Yes, next to go pound dollar. Right, pound dollar. So in this pound dollar over here, pound dollar today went down at our support, retest, it's not breaking, it's now moving upwards. So it's very clear that we are going for a buy. Okay, going for a buy. So it's a retracement trading now. It's in the retracement from hitting the support and going up. Okay. So pound dollar maybe second half of the day, then we will have a chance. If not, very likely I will see it that it's going for buy. Okay. So today, yeah, it's going to be a good buy for pound dollar. So I'm not going to trade this. I'm going to stay away. Okay. Okay, dollar cat over here. Dollar cat. Well, dollar cat seems like now we are now moving downwards again into the bear, hovering around this period. And now let's check. Do we have enough space? Even it's in the ranging. Now we are in the ranging stage. Okay, so going for the support, we have about 23 pips. Okay, so the ranging has ended. No, sorry, the retracement ended and come back to the prevailing bear trend. Well, so for dollar cat, I will still say over here. So the support, higher support, but now coming back to the support here, which is not breaking yet. Okay, so there's another one minor support here in this area. Okay, so now for dollar cat, I guess it's going to be a second half of the day as well because I wanted to break the support with a new resistance below, then I start trading. Why is that so? Is because now, as you can see, there's a higher support, higher low, higher support, higher low, higher support, higher low. So if there is a breakout of this pattern and forming a new falling, selling pattern, then I will start to enter for a trade. Okay. Yep. For dollar CAD, okay, dollar CAD, I'm going to put this into my watch list. As long as it breaks the support, then I shall start to trade. Okay. What about dollar franc? Okay, guys, dollar franc over here. Dollar franc, I would say no. Today is on the buy. Okay, so after it's created and now respecting the support movement here. So I'm not going to touch this. Okay, Well, this is now it's moving up. So yeah, it's breaking the resistance already very soon. So I'm not going to touch this. Buyers, take note. After it breaks, comes back to test again without breaking, and it will continue to buy. Okay. All right. So dollar yen. Let's take a look at dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen. In this case, dollar yen. Dollar yen came down. The support, created a support down there, respecting the support movement. Okay, so now it's going up again. In H4, we have a support here, and it has supported and moved up again. Well, when it's starting to move up, where is the resistance and the support? The support is here. Support is here. Okay, so right now we are so close, moving up towards the resistance. Higher support, higher low, higher low, higher low. Not changing the trend at all. So yeah, uh, dollar yen, we may have a chance to sell, but I will want to wait for the second half. So I'm not going to put this into my watch list today, right now. Okay. All right. All right. Okay, Alan. Hi, Alan. Nice to see you here. Okay, so yes, Alan. Okay, I'm waiting for your Bitcoin. Waiting for my Bitcoin. Okay, I'm coming. I'm here. All right. Okay, so over here, Bitcoin. Yes. Like last week we were talking about that it will start searching for another support. Okay, so the support has been founded. Okay, and now it is moving up. So now 46. So are we moving towards another round of 48? I would say yes. Okay, the answer is yes. I will still be looking out for a buy to reach 48,000. So 48,000, one Bitcoin. So okay, buying is still possible. Okay, buying is still possible, huh? Okay. So yep. So that's all. Okay. So just wait first, and Bitcoin, the buying signal already here. You can start buying. Okay. Okay. So now, okay, let's see what do we have. Okay, so let me wrap it up here by summarize up. What do I have? Well, selling of Euro Aussie, Euro Yen, Euro Kiwi, Euro Dollar, Pound Aussie, Pound Kiwi, and Dollar CAD. All right. So these are what we are going to sell for the day. Okay. So yes, coming to the end of this session, guys. Thank you so much for your support. We are very glad and happy that I have in my channel. We have successfully reached the 1,000 subscribers, and really thank you for your subscribe. Remember to stay subscribed and give me a lot of comments. Give me all your comments to help me to grow together with you. All right. Okay. Okay. So I would like to wish all of you here, and also wish all of you here with plenty of profits with my forex trading plan session. And I hope this session will help you. And I'm also working on to have more quality content and sound my voice. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. So see you tomorrow again at the same time. All right. So I shall wish you good luck. This is Harry Dave from ACS Learning Hub. See you again.